most important question of aptitude. Let us see the question. The question is what? 0.36 is written in the simplest form, the sum of numerator and denominator. So very simple question, but lot tend to mistake here. So what is the simple concept for this type of question? See. So first 0.36. So we can write this 36 upon 100. So this decimal means what? 1. And after decimal 2 digits, so here 2 0. Now simplest form is what? We have to cancel the common factor. So here 4 is common factor, 4 9 are 36 and this is 25. Now numerator is 9 and denominator is 25. My question is sum of numerator and denominator. So 9 plus 25 is what? 34. So our correct answer is what? 34 is right.